Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make the perfect hard-boiled eggs that cook perfectly and peel perfectly without the shell sticking. First, we're going to get the water boiling to a full boil before we add the eggs. Now we got the water in a really good boil. I'm going to add my eggs. The eggs are now boiling, and I'm going to boil them for 12 minutes. All right, the eggs are just about cooked. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to kill the heat, and I'm going to put the cover on it, and we're going to let them sit in the hot water for another 12 minutes. Okay, they've been sitting for 12 minutes. Now we're going to remove them and put them in ice water. And they're going to sit there for another 12 minutes. I may run some more cold water on them or add some more ice. The ice seems to have melted. Oh well. Anyway, it seems like a tedious thing to do, but for perfect eggs, I promise you it's worth it. Okay, they've been sitting for 12 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to peel them. These are literally sliding right off. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect egg. Boil the water. Boil them for 12 minutes. Let them sit in the water for 12 minutes. Let them sit in the ice bath for 12 minutes. Perfect eggs.